can see you guys are having fun.
Yeah. You're welcome to our hotel.
Thank you.
I'm here to take your orders. What do you want? We have all kinds of wine.
Well, that depends on the kind of wine you have.
Okay, we have foreign wines and we have local wines. But if you ask me, I would suggest you go for BIANCHI New Age.
Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh, you know what? I've been looking for that wine all over the place. That wine is the only thing I want to drink in this hotel. Just go get it.
I can't wait to have a taste of it. I'll be yearning to taste this wine.
Oh my goodness, I'll be dreaming to have this wine. I can't just wait.
You are just dreaming about taking the wine, right? You're yearning for it. You can't wait to have it. As for me, I am already sipping on the wine. Yeah.
That means you already know about it.
Of course.
Wait a minute. Are you all serious right now?
Yeah.
So tell me, what's so special about this wine?
My brother, anybody in your shoes will ask the same question. This wine is special for special people. It's a special wine produced in Argentina. Or you can equally say it's an Argentine wine. Oh yes, with this wine in your event, your guests will be shouting, wow, wow, wow. In fact, you need to test this wine because if you test it, you will never dream of testing any other wine. It is a wine for old and new. In fact, it is a wine for our age, our parents, from 18 years and above. When you drink this wine, you'll be bubbling, 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 bubbling.
You know what? Let's not prolong this issue.
Yes.
Go get us the wine. Immediately.
Yeah.
Get the wine.
I want white wine, please.
You know, we just get us the varieties of the wine. Anybody can drink the wine.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, 2 minutes.
Thank
So
you.
who's next? Who's next?
Wow! Wow! I know! Order for BIANCHI